Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Kitty Cat ASMR, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm laying in bed, can't sleep, so I thought I'd give you guys a little update. I don't even think I've ever done an update on my channel yet, so anyway, you may hear snoring. My husband's still sleeping, and you will hear white noise of the humidifier and his fan. So I apologize if the noise is annoying, but I thought this is the semi-quietest room in the house. And I realized something. I really need to step up my game. All these wonderful artists have the most vivid of ideas, and they shoot them, and they go through with them, and they do them. I sit on my computer and play Minecraft, and then later, like weeks later, I shoot the video for it. The audio for it. And when I make these audio videos, I do all of them at once, and then I just upload them over time. I need to stop doing that. I need to start doing where I am facing a camera, and the only reason I'm not doing that right now is because it's fairly dark in this room, and I look like crap. So, yeah. My confidence isn't the best. My self-esteem isn't the best. So I am trying to, say, excuse my French, fuck it and do it. Because I really, really, really need to step up my game. I have over 270 subscribers now, which is pretty damn huge. And my husband supports me in everything I do, and he supports this. My parents don't know I do this. My family doesn't know I do this. Hell, I don't even think my best friends know I do this. This is something strictly he knows. My mother-in-law kind of knows, because my husband always tells her, like, hey, she's shooting and stuff for relaxing purposes. He thinks it's weird, of course, but, yeah, I just recently created a Facebook, it's more for, other artists, so I can follow them. But you can follow me. I post my videos on there. I post stuff on there. Cats, more than likely. What I'm doing and whatnot. Oh, heat kicked on. And, so stay tuned for that. It's MRS Kitty Cat ASMR on Facebook. So it'd be facebook.com/MRS Kitty Cat ASMR. So you can add me on there. I'm blowing up like crazy on that. And since I can log out and log in my personal account super easy, I can do that on my phone, so that's great. And if there's anything else you want to see, I can try and successfully do it. Just want to say thank you all for coming. Thank you for stopping, and thank you for stopping by. And remember, have a perfect day.